This is Andrew Bosin. I'm a technology lawyer. I'm located in New Jersey. I represent SaaS and artificial intelligence startup companies, entrepreneurs, and vendors all across the U.S. in helping them get off the ground legally through a Delaware corporation, your shareholder agreements, and then drafting your website terms of service, privacy policy, and customer subscription agreements. I will get into this video as to the reasons why you should hire me, but two quick reasons. One, I've been doing this type of law for exclusively the last 12 years. I was a trial attorney the last 20 years before that. Second reason why is during this 12-year period of representing SaaS and AI companies, I'm also a two-time entrepreneur. I've built a SaaS Delaware corporation and an AI Delaware corporation. The SaaS company I exited in 2017. My partner's got a patent for the technology, and in the AI company, we've launched and have gone to market. So I have a ton of experience in representing not only SaaS and AI entrepreneurs, but I am also a SaaS and AI entrepreneur. I've built and scaled Delaware corporations, raised monies, taken go-to-market sales training, closed capital financing rounds, do the shareholder agreements, the IP licensing agreements. So I can help you not only get off the ground, incorporate, issue shares, but also do all the legal work for your SaaS and your AI companies. I speak to entrepreneurs every day. The biggest issue that I see with entrepreneurs is money. Either you don't have enough, or you can't raise enough, or you're not quite sure how to go about getting monies, and I'm not quite sure you understand how long it might take to get to market, if you can get to market, and that using the market to generate capital it doesn't always work out to plan. So that brings me back to the beginning, which is why you should hire me. If you go on to one of those ubiquitous sites that you see on Google where there's hundreds, if not thousands of lawyers on one site, and they take your information down and then they try to match you with a lawyer, you don't know if that lawyer has handled one SaaS case, one AI case, understands how to create SaaS and AI agreements, is a SaaS and AI entrepreneur. Yes, you can look that person up. Yes, you can speak to that attorney. But for the most part, you're relying on the website to tell you if you're a match with that lawyer. Just because the lawyer might charge less than my firm does for the work doesn't mean that you're going to get the legal work done that you need to protect your company. With SaaS and AI, there are certain things that a general business contract lawyer just doesn't know. I have plenty of entrepreneurs that will call me up and say, we have a great corporate lawyer, or we have a great patent lawyer, or we have a great business lawyer. But when it comes to SaaS and AI, they just really, it's not that they don't know what they're doing. They don't specialize in that area of law, and they really don't know how to protect, the company. And I'll give you an example. When you build an AI platform and your client uploads their data, their personal data, or maybe personally identifiable information up into your platform or your services, and your AI algorithm software does its thing and spits out content or material for the customer to use, who owns that content and material? Do you want to own it? Does the customer want to own it? If the customer owns it, are you getting a license? What are you getting a license to do with that material? Is it just to use it in furtherance of improving your services? Can you use it to improve your AI training data? These are all issues that a lawyer who doesn't help AI companies or is not an AI entrepreneur really has no idea what this is, what it means. They wouldn't even think to put it into an AI vendor contract or an AI agreement. If you are planning to sell your company at some point, investors or potential future buyers might want to own that content and material, even if it contains, the personal data of clients. What about anonymizing, customer data if you want to use it? These are all issues that a lawyer who doesn't specialize in SaaS and AI would know nothing about. You also need to put in many disclaimers in the AI vendor contracts about the use of artificial intelligence and that it's uncertain and that you shouldn't rely on it 100%. So if you have a SaaS or AI company and you need legal agreements, you're launching, you want to get customers, you have customers, you need agreements, please call me, Andrew Bosin, SaaS and AI lawyer all across the U.S. at 201-446-9643.